so that the bowler has no clue as to what you're doing as a batsman. Yeah, they're going toe to toe, back ahead of Bangladesh. This excellent. The face can face. Yeah, that's exactly what I was going to. That's what I do. And in fact, me and Danny, who did the pitch photo, we saw the surface. We've seen the other games which have happened here. We thought it would be very similar. It actually stumped us. Spin. Are you looking at?
We need turmeric powder, dry chilies.
Dry chilies. This is running out. This is cumin. And this is
Coriander.
coriander,
seeds.
whole coriander seeds.
Yeah.
And that's all we need.
Okay.
And this is the garam masala.
Okay.
Garam masala is all the bay leaf, cinnamon, and
And we are needing 5 big onions.
not 5. There are about 9. 9 of these.
This size 9.
Yes,
Okay.
9, and it depends on the how much meat you have.
Yeah.
I'm using 1.5 kilos of meat,
Okay.
so this is about 9. So if you're using less, then less meat.
Okay.
My meat is about 1.5 kilos.
Basically, this dish needs a lot of onion to get
Yeah.
delicious.
And then now with that, while you're frying, we're going to put some garam masala, which is
Bay leaves,
bay leaves, a little bit of cinnamon,
cinnamon,
3/4 cloves, about
a bunch of cloves,
yeah, and whole
black
cardamom. Yeah, black cardamom, about 4-5. And some zira, which I'm running out. I have to put the shop about that much. I usually use spoon. I don't know why I'm not using spoon.
It's about a whole tablespoon
Of
whole.
cumin. And now I'm going to use chilies.
Okay.
Either you can use the round chilies. If you don't have the round chilies, just
Use this one.
use this one. This will break while you're cooking. So
Okay.
it will bring that little bit of warmth into the dinner.
You can just add according to your taste how
Yeah.
much hot you want your food
yeah.
to be.
This one is quite mild, but
Okay.
if you want it more, you can do it more.
Whole black pepper.
Yeah. You have to have again about
A bunch.
half a tea. Yeah.
So we continue to fry until they get golden.
No. Like they will get about
Soft.
yeah, like glassy white. Then they
Okay.
get. And then I'm going to put this whole coriander, 1 spoon,
In one heap.
one
1.5
spoon, yeah.
tablespoon.
Yeah.
You crush it.
You crush it with the Now we can put this
Now we add the meat.
and the meat.
So how long to fry with the meat?
Just when it turns a bit white. There's no added water, it's just going to cook in it. Okay. Now I can put garlic and ginger, which is mostly done.
Okay. Fresh garlic and ginger paste.
That much.
About a tablespoon.
And I can fry it with this a little bit. sorry, crushed coriander, and about this much of turmeric.
1 teaspoon of turmeric or a bit more.
And the salt, which will be about,
Enough salt, basically.
enough salt to taste.
Yeah.
Preparation is the only thing that takes time.
Okay.
Cutting onions and tomatoes and things like that. And then now we'll, after this, try for another 2 or 3 minutes. Can you smell the coriander?
Yeah.
The fresh coriander.
Yeah, so fresh.
Tomatoes.
So we add the tomatoes now. About 5 tomatoes.
5 big wine tomatoes I put.
If your tomatoes are not big enough,
you can have
use
more.
like 8 medium-sized
9, yeah.
tomatoes. Basically as much as you're adding onion.
Yeah.
So we are not adding any water to it.
No, we're not going to add
just
water.
Just giving out its own juice.
Now we're going to let it cook. I think it will take about an hour.
Yeah.
So
we reduce the heat, right?
Yeah, I'll just wait for it to boil.
Okay.
And then we reduce the heat. And then after it's cooked, the meat is tender, then we are going to do the frying again. Again.
The last stage.
The last stage.
Okay.
Let it boil and then just let it simmer afterwards.
Okay.
Boiling now.
Now we are going to reduce the heat. Let it simmer for 1 hour. Guys, you see how much water this dish has left by itself without adding any water. So do not add any water at all. So now we let it to simmer for an hour.
Yeah, this is spring lamb, so it should be tender in an hour.
Okay then. All right.
Just wait till the oil comes out.
Almost ready. Now at this point we a little bit we increase the heat and let all the juice to evaporate and the oil comes up. So we add the fresh chilies only for the aroma. You don't need to eat that. At the time of serving we add fresh chopped coriander on the top and then we serve it another 5 minutes and then it's done.